Hello, a very good morning to all of you. In our life, we don't compromise. When we are unwell, we consult one of the best doctors. When we want to build a dream house, we consult with the top engineer and architect. When we purchase a property or any legal issue, we consult with one of the best advocate and lawyer. When we want a perfect match for our child and want to know our favorable time, we consult with the best astrologer. We consult with the best specialist in our life, and we do have a family doctor, family lawyer, family astrologer, and the list goes on. When you get stuck in life or want to invest in the stock market, you don't have a family mentor or family investment advisory. Now in India, the concept is slowly picking up. 95% of people lose in the stock market and in life because they are not associated with a mentor and advisory and keep looking out for free advice and tips from close ones or from the market. Moving forward in life, you don't have any option because now people don't have time and not interested in your problems or care for you because the situation has changed and people's feeling towards humanity has collapsed. They are not to be blamed because whenever an era changes, with times you should accept the change and be prepared for this. Work on yourself on a daily basis, analyze and observe yourself because God also can't change your habit. It is only by bad experiences and situation your attitude and habit changes. In life, don't waste your valuable time to change others, nor trying to forget the past. Past cannot be forgotten so easily. Only method to forget the past is by overlapping your past with beautiful moments of the present and being engaged in creative work. It is my request to all of you to switch off your mobile while having your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Try this for a week and feel the difference. I wish you all the best and success in life after this unlock process starts. And definitely, you would have learned some life changing lessons from this lockdown. Thanks for your support and taking out your valuable time in watching my videos. Best wishes for good health and happiness from our channel to you and your family.